Story: The Butterfly and the Squirrel. Once upon a time, in a vibrant forest, lived Benny the butterfly and Sammy the squirrel. They lived in the same forest but had never met. Benny was known for his stunning wings and love of beauty. He spent most of his days admiring his reflection in the river and collecting rare flowers. Sammy, on the other hand, was famous for his wisdom and kindness. He spent his days helping fellow friends and storing food for the winter. One day, a harsh winter arrived unexpectedly, covering the forest in snow and ice. Benny's beautiful wings were fragile and struggled to withstand with cold. As Benny searched for shelter, he stumbled upon Sammy's cozy nest. Sammy welcomed Benny with open arms, sharing his food and warmth. Benny was amazed by Sammy's kindness and asked why he helped others. Sammy explained that helping others brings joy and creates a supportive community. Inspired, Benny decided to use his beauty to help others. He used his colorful wings to guide lost animals through the snow and ice. As the winter passed, Benny and Sammy became inseparable friends. They explored the forest together, spreading kindness and beauty. But one day, a severe storm threatened to destroy their home. The animals panicked, not knowing what to do. Benny and Sammy came up with a plan. Benny used his wings to guide the animals to safety, while Sammy used his wisdom to build a shelter. Together, they saved their forest friends. Moral of the story: true beauty comes from within, and kindness can conquer even the toughest challenges. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe